Okay, it's time for today's CSS Battle. Let's have a look. Okay, let's do this as 2p elements. Make the margin 0 on that. Make the margin 0 on that. Okay, good. P plus P. It's just going to be P but in reverse, so we do scale -1 in X, 1 in Y. And now let's start doing things. So what have we got? Linear gradient. Let's go with a linear gradient first. Linear gradient. We'll make it that blue. And then the light purple. And then that blue again. And what have we got? So 25, 65, so 40 wide. So let's do 25 pixels, 0, 65 pixels, and 0. B60B. Oh, there we go. And 90 degrees. And then we make it 120 minus 25, so 95 pixels wide. Should get me the stripes in the right place. Beautiful. And then they all start at the same height, so let's actually move that down. 70 pixels by the looks of things. Change it to a repeat X. We'll also set this background to that colour. Then, because we've done that, we can actually use transparent there and there. Now, if we just made it so that that was that to that, that might help. So 230 minus 70 is going to be 160. That will get me just those bars, just like that. That looks like it's just going to be a block of 40, so we can do that with a conic gradient in a minute, and just have that in the right place. So let's first off get that big block done. So let's do a conic gradient of that for 25%, and then it can be that forever else, and then let's just move it and make this yeah, move it and make the sizes right. So if we did it at oh no. Yes, we can make the sizes right. Okay, so 110 down, 25 in. That would be the second man. So we just move it 0 and 110 pixels down. Let's see how actual high that should have been. 190, 110, so 80 high. So maybe that should have been 80. Okay, that looks reasonably good. Then we make it a width, which is going to be 160 maybe? 170? No. 160 gives me a small problem. How am I going to get around that? Because it's only giving me 25 pixels there. So if we make this instead 50 pixels and then do minus 25 pixels, that has not quite done what I wanted. 160, 180, 190, 185 it'd be. We don't like those numbers though, so that could at least be no, that would be 75, wouldn't it? If we do 125, what I really want is some nice numbers, and these are not them. $260 is a better number though. Yeah, some of these we can make a little better, so okay, we'll leave that like that for now. That does seem to have worked, so we'll leave that like that. And then we'll do a conic gradient at alright, well that's 230 down. How far in is it? 120. So we actually want that at 270 pixels because make it that colour 40 for 25%, and then transparent. And we do not shift it in the left, we shift it down. Not quite 260, 220. We'll make it 100% wide, 80 high, 60, 40. Is that? Ooh, we're about 10 pixels too high. So, go on, tell me that's 230. Yeah, okay. But that looks like a match. Let's hit submit. That's good, good, good. Let's start trimming off anything that we can. Can we change that to an ampersand? No. Okay, and have we got any? Can't replace that. Can't replace that. Can't replace that. 160 will be divisible by 4, so that's 40 VW. 100 is going to be 25 VW. Can't do 125. 120, however, is going to be 30 VW. 270 is 90 VH. 230 I seem to remember is problematic, so I'm not even going to bother. 260, is it divisible by 4? No, 26 isn't divisible by 4. 24 is. So that might actually be 60. Is it 65? 260 over. It is 65. Okay. Don't think there's any more units that I can smack down other than that and that, because they don't need those designations. Then we go minify. This isn't going to be great, but never mind. Let's see what we scored. Yeah, it's not a great score, but I can't immediately see a better win. So we're going to call it there. Cheers. Bye.